Hi there, buddies. The XRP lawsuit may be resolved in as little as 72 hours. We'll talk about this today. We'll also discuss XRP's prospects for the upcoming year. We'll also talk about the European Central Bank's efforts to develop a blockchain-based payment system. Naturally, it will be working with Ripple to accomplish this. Bitcoin maximalists, meanwhile, are furious, since XRP is presently leading numerous polls. In fact, when comparing XRP and Bitcoin, a lot of investors are now more likely to invest in XRP, and I'll explain why today. At the moment, there is no strong opinion about the Bitcoin market. The market has not yet recovered from the recent slump. The approach of averaging, increasing purchases, and waiting for the next boom phase is still being followed by market participants. Many people agree with me that we can grow even more because the full bullish cycle is still ongoing. Regarding XRP, I want to remind you that the video's content is also accessible and, frequently, considerably earlier on the Telegram channel. In order to receive timely information, you can subscribe. Bitcoin's dominance over the whole cryptocurrency market is growing, once again surpassing 60%. Right now, altcoins aren't doing well, and there hasn't been any notable growth. There are some buy signs, though. A number of altcoins, including DOT, have returned to retest their lows and are currently forming an upward breakout, for instance. If you see a pattern that resembles the movement of DOT since 2022, you can be sure that a significant player is building up, which could make it an excellent time to invest. Accomplished this year, in 2022, or possibly in 2023. We have previously observed a similar pattern with regard to XRP, which led to XRP breaking out and hitting an all-time high of $3.40. Therefore, in my opinion, this is not the end in the long run. At the moment, the situation is unclear for individuals involved in speculative trading. The price range of XRP is $2.76 to $2.56. On the daily timescale, it is trying to break above the 50-day moving average and is still trading only inside this range. Buyer strength is currently very low because, regrettably, it has not been successful thus far. There aren't any clear signs of an impending upward trend at the moment. On the other hand, it is $2.90 bearish breakout trades, and speculative long bets may be taken into consideration if we break over $2.90. Rumor has it that a resolution to the pending XRP case could be reached in as little as 72 hours. This is because the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, had a private meeting that isn't accessible to the general public. Although they are uncommon, these meetings do take place about once a month. Future cryptocurrency ETFs, Litecoin and XRP, may be impacted by this specific conference. We'll have to wait and see. Macroeconomically speaking, 20252026 is when XRP and Litecoin are anticipated to flourish. This is a great time to invest because there are still 6 to 12 months of accumulating left. The situation is likewise evident for Litecoin. Despite breaking higher, it is currently trading at about $130. For individuals who previously missed out, this offers a fantastic opportunity. An extra 6 or 12 months won't have much of an impact if XRPE has been in an accumulation phase for 6 to 7 years. According to analysts, patience is essential because a major breakout might occur after possible troughs. For XRPE, the goals are $25 and $48. Considering that many people have already waited for 7 years, waiting for a year is hardly disastrous. Another crucial point. The European Central Bank wants to develop a payment system that uses blockchain technology. This is fantastic news for XRP and RLSD. In 2022, the foundation for this was established, and I even posted official documentation in my Telegram channel that attested to their progress in using blockchain technology. Additionally, digital currencies and central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, will be supported by the central bank. Now, this is turning into a reality. Polls have also been removed by Bitcoin maximalists and XRP haters, particularly when XRP prevails. Surveys that ask respondents if they would rather invest in USD, XRP, Bitcoin, or Solana frequently saw XRP emerging victorious. But only give Bitcoin the credit it deserves. There is nothing wrong with being a Bitcoin maximalist. However, variety is essential. It's dangerous to hold only one cryptocurrency. It is comparable to placing all of your eggs in one basket and then letting them fall out. Analysts contend that XRP is poised for substantial growth, maybe hitting $5.86, and that the current market movement was a bear trap. Furthermore, a change in the regulatory strategy under the new leadership is indicated by the SEC's withdrawal of its appeal involving broker-dealer rules. The lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC may be resolved by a new regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. This is an important step because, as was made clear yesterday, the SEC has loosened its position on cryptocurrency and defiance of the law. I discussed this in my Telegram channel as well. According to experts, a price objective of $10,000 for XRP is a conservative estimate rather than a crazy one. These forecasts are also being covered by news organizations. Many contend that before discussing $10,000, we should first aim for $10 or $100, and I wholeheartedly concur with this viewpoint. Additionally, FedNow, the Federal Reserve's real-time settlement system, has integrated with Ripple XRP, making it the first virtual asset to do so. Furthermore, with astounding volumes of $2 billion, XRP is the most traded cryptocurrency on South Korean platforms. I previously stated in my Telegram channel that the anticipation of an ETF approval was the reason behind the explosive growth in XRP trading volumes. This is important and should not be disregarded. What might be said finally? There have been no significant breakouts outside of established trading ranges, and the market is presently flat. At this point, we must wait. There will be more volatility and a distinct market trend as different altcoins break their trading ranges. For instance, we shall know more about XRP's future course of action if it breaks out of the $2.76 to $2.56 zone. Despite the fact that the majority of coins have had a substantial decline, I think they are currently recovering. One obvious example of a possible rebound is DOT. It is back to its pre-pump state because it has dropped considerably and is displaying high volume at these levels. Many cryptocurrencies exhibit this trend. What therefore ought one to do? Purchase what you haven't yet. Average it out and build it up. You are clearly holding for higher prices if you did not sell DOT at $10 for speculative objectives. Since DOT has a lot of potential, I think this is the best course of action. This approach is unambiguous and simple. That's about it for now. Crypto Facts was this. I'll see you later.